Hey there everyone! Today we're going to create a video using exactly this script. It's going to be super fun, so let's get started. Did you know that breakfast is the most important meal of the day? Yep, that's right. And guess what? We should always use the YouTube audio library for our background music. It makes everything sound cooler. So, what are some healthy breakfast options? Well, let's dive in and find out together. Alright, so let's dive into some quick and easy breakfast ideas that will kickstart your day with a burst of energy. Whether you're in a rush or just want something simple, these options have got you covered. First up, we have a classic smoothie bowl. Just blend up your favorite fruits, add a splash of almond milk, and top it with some granola and fresh berries. It's nutritious and super refreshing. Next, we have avocado toast. Mash up a ripe avocado, spread it on whole grain toast, and sprinkle with a pinch of salt and pepper. You can add a poached egg on top for some extra protein. And finally, overnight oats. Mix rolled oats with your choice of milk, add some chia seeds and a touch of honey, and let it sit in the fridge overnight. In the morning, just grab and go. These breakfast ideas are not only quick and easy, but also delicious and healthy. So there you have it, some fantastic breakfast ideas to make your mornings easier and more enjoyable. Remember, starting your day with a nutritious meal is key to maintaining energy and focus throughout the day. We hope you found these tips helpful and that you give them a try. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome content. Have a great day, everyone.